Right, we have breaking news coming in right now. Air India bus has caught fire at the Terminal 3 of Indira Gandhi International Airport in the national capital. All passengers reported to be safe, but this is the bus at the T3. That's the international terminal. That's for the international flights mainly. And of course, there are domestic flights as well at the T3. And you have this bus on your screens that has caught fire. Air India bus that has caught fire. And my colleague Harsha is joining us live for more. Harsha, tell us what really caused this fire?
So the cause of the fire is yet to be known, but yes, there are a few breaking updates which Republic has just now got its hands on. We have got to know that this was a CNG bus. Most of the AISATS bus, when it was first given to the Air India, those were the CNG buses. The recent addition of the AISATS bus in Air India, to Air India are the electric bus buses. But this particular bus which has caught fire was not the electric bus, it was the CNG bus. That means it's an old model bus. We have got to know this bus was not the new lot of AISATS bus which was given to Air India. This was the bus which was being operated by Air India only. This was the old bus. This was a CNG bus, and also we have got to know that the investigation has begun in this bus catching fire. There has been no casualties which has been reported. There was driver who was seated in the bus, and that driver has got no injury. He was safely evacuated from the bus, and also it could have been the very dangerous incident which has been averted because there were almost 3 to 4 airlines which were parked at that particular place where this particular bus was stationary. It was stationary at that particular time only. The bus caught fire. We can see in the visuals as well. There is a area near next to the bus where the terminal is very close by, and this exact place in Terminal T3 at Bay 32 where the bus has caught fire. The prelim report Air India will be submitting to DGCA and to DIAL in another 1 to 2 hours, and then the detailed investigation report and the incident report will also to be given by Air India to DGCA and DIAL in coming 1 to 2 days. But we are expecting the prelim report and the cause of incident, how the bus caught fire. The detailed incident report will be submitted to DGCA in an hour by Air India. We have spoken to Air India officials. They are themselves stating that we don't know the reason and cause behind fire, how the stationary bus caught fire, but we are investigating the reasons. Also, the ground handling staff and the ground handling people who are recruited for this particular bus by Air India, who operate and take care of the ground handling and the operation. They are also being interrogated by Air India itself to prepare the entire incident and the investigation report which will be submitted to the regulatory body. So these all things have begun. It was an incident which took place at 12 afternoon at T3 airport at Terminal 3 International Airport of Indira Gandhi International Airport. We have also got
Harsha, you mentioned that this was an old bus. This was an old bus you mentioned. So was it being used after a long time, or was it in use like regularly?